Hi, I'm Michael True. I'm a senior associate here at Levi and Associates. Our company provides data-driven solutions to organizations and businesses across West Africa and in the world. What sets us apart is being able to provide unique solutions for any problem at all that has to do with data. If you're an organization that works with data, you collect data, you use data in your reports and dashboards, we have the capacity, we have the expertise to help you extract meaningful insights out of this data. We can advise you in reconfiguring your data architecture. We can advise you in how to make sure that the reports and processes that you are using, you can have increased sophistication. For example, you can include or embed AI processes, AI techniques. You can include machine learning techniques to make sure that the report or the insight that you're getting is one of the best you can get. And that is what we do here at Levi and Associates. So we've had 3 fellows so far, Isaac, Irene, and Marilyn. They joined us at different times and at different capacities. However, they took a remarkably short time to get up to speed. In fact, an evidence for that is Isaac being able to rise through the ranks quickly to become one of the technical team leads. They've been able to contribute to about 5 data products that we've had, and they've accelerated the data product roadmap that we had. So in fact, these fellows have been able to integrate with the team quite quickly and well. A project that they all contributed to was a data pipeline optimization and data quality enhancement project. We're struggling with a data processing problem. What ended up happening was that messy and unstructured data kept being included in the insight that we're trying to present to the clients. So with this fellow's mind and their talents, they were able to develop a new ETL pipeline and also develop a suite of data cleaning algorithms. All of these algorithms were automated. So the result of that was a shortened time in the pre-processing timeline. We were able to detect and clean bad data that ended up in the insights, and then we were also able to provide accurate data to our clients. All of this enabled us to provide more reliable insights to our clients and significantly improved our decision-making capabilities and the trust in our systems. So we see ourselves partnering with Blossom Academy again for our future hiring needs. One thing that we've liked about their fellows is their understanding of the technical concepts that they have to work with here, their ability to adapt to any situation, and their appreciation for the soft skills that all data personnel need in being functional in their work. And with the track record that they've had, which has been a solid 100%, I don't think we want to bet against that. So definitely, we want to partner with Blossom Academy in the future. I think that the field of data, especially in Ghana and in Africa, has been underexplored and underutilized. And with talents that are coming up, it's going to be up to us to think, to re-envision how data can bring about the transformation that we need to push the continent of Africa forward. And here at Levi, we are developing increasingly interesting products across all the sectors, from music to agriculture to revenue assurance to finance to all areas of the sectors. And when you join these organizations, you go there with a mindset of trying to make your mark, trying to do something different. And believe you me, we're going to have the next open AI here in Ghana, here in Africa. So don't give up, keep pushing.